High in the remote mountains of Southeast Asia live the Lisu people. These are tough, resourceful people, generations of farmers and artisans living in close-knit villages. Their traditional dress, handmade and passed down through generations, tells a story of family, history and connection to the land. The Lisu people thrive through resilience and ingenuity, blending tradition and necessity in their daily lives. Their vibrant culture is celebrated through festivals, storytelling, and the passing of traditions from one generation to the next. In the heart of these mountains, the Lisu people continue to weave their rich tapestry of life, culture, and identity. The Lisu women, they are the true artisans. Their hands move with such skill and precision. It's mesmerizing to watch them work their magic. They create these amazing tradition dresses, almost like colorful armor. From cradle to elder age and gender in Lisu dress. The Lisu people have a rich tradition of clothing that evolves with age and gender. Men's attire is simple and practical, reflecting their lifestyle and functionality. They wear dark-colored trousers designed for comfort and durability. Their dress, though less elaborate, showcase incredible craftsmanship. Children wear miniature versions of adult clothing, instilling cultural pride. As they grow, their clothing becomes more intricate, symbolizing growth and maturity. Women's attire is vibrant and colorful, reflecting their role in the community. Elders wear the most elaborate designs, symbolizing wisdom and status. Section 5. Festivities and celebrations. Lisu dress on special occasions, festivals. Now, that's when the Lisu people really bring out their A-game. It's a riot of color, music, and of course incredible outfits. Weddings, New Year celebrations, harvest festivals. Each one has its own unique dress code. It's a feast for the senses, an unforgettable experience. Section 6. Threads through time, modern influences and preservation. The world's changing fast, even up in the mountains. Isolated communities now feel globalization's ripple effects. Younger generations blend the old with the new, influenced by outside trends. Jeans, t-shirts, they're becoming more common. The modern world is making its mark. Elders pass on their knowledge, preserving their culture. It's a battle, but they're fighting for their culture, one stitch at a time. Community gatherings and celebrations keep traditions alive. Artisans adapt, selling traditional garments in modern markets. Children learn dances and songs, ensuring the culture's future. The sun sets on a village, but the spirit of the Lisu endures. Follow for more videos.